Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable and disable app drawer on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, enabling and disabling the app drawer allows you to customize the layout and organization of your device home screen. And also, by toggling the app drawer on or off, you can create a user interface that aligns with your preferences and usage habits. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin customizing your device home screen settings, access the Settings menu. After that, scroll through the options and you can choose the home screen settings. Okay, and within the home screen settings page, tap on the first option available, then select Home and App Screen to configure your home screen layout. Finally, click the Apply button to save the changes and update your home screen configuration. But if you wish to remove the app drawer from your home screen, follow a similar process. Open the Settings menu. So navigate to the home screen settings and select the first option. Okay, next activate the home screen only. And then click on Apply to confirm the changes and enjoy a simplified home screen interface without the app drawer. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable and disable app drawer on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.